welcome back to my channel, The Baking Diva. It's so good to see all of you, and a big shout out to all my new subscribers. You made me so happy. It really means a lot to me, so thank you very much. Well, today I'm going to be funny. I know, I'm always funny. Well, I think so anyway. I'm only kidding. But anyway, today's going to be a funny video because I am making a dessert that has the name Funny in it. Yes, I am. This dessert originated from Lancaster, Pennsylvania, in the good old Amish country. And a lot of recipes, they originate in a certain place and then they travel all around. Everybody makes them, but not this one. This one seems to have stayed a good Lancaster classic favorite. And I'm going to make it for you today. I'm going to call this the Funny Pie / Cake because people think it's funny. They're like, is it a pie? Is it a cake? What the heck is it? Well, it's sort of like a cake, but it's in a pie shell. Well, anyway, whatever. Let me just show you how to make it. Okay, so you're going to have your electric mixer, and what you're going to put in that is, first of all, you're going to put your sugar in, and I'm going to put the recipe for you in the description box below, but it's 1½ cups of granulated sugar. Put that right in there. You're going to need your oil, and it's ½ cup of vegetable oil. That in there. You're going to put in your eggs. You need 2 eggs. Get them in the bowl. So we put our sugar, we put our eggs and our oil in our mixer, and now we're gonna beat that until it's nice and smooth and all well combined. So here we go. So I have that all beaten until it's nice and smooth. Now to the wet mixture, I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Let me get that in there. I'm just going to mix like half of this, and then I'll put the other half in. So I hope you're all enjoying your day. It was raining here in New Jersey, but finally the sun came out, so I'm happy for that. Okay, let me put some more of the flour in. Just want to add it in slowly. All my flour in. Now I'm going to add to that 1 cup of whole milk. We're going to add some baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to mix that all up. You're going to mix it for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. You want to get it very well combined. So let me get that going. Now while mixing this, what you want to do is while you're mixing this, you want to get your 2 pie crusts ready. So let me mix it and I'll go get my pie crusts. Okay, so I mixed my batter very well for about almost 3 minutes. Wanted to get it nice and smooth. Let me take this beater off here. Now we have the 2 pie shells in front of me. And what I'm going to do with them is I'm going to split up this mixture. Let me move my mixer out of the way. I'm going to divide it between these 2 pie shells. So let me put it in. Okay, hope you can see that. Just smooth it around there so it's nice and even in the shell. Okay. So you're seeing now that this bottom layer of this funny recipe, this funny pie cake, is white. Get it all in there. Scrape the sides of that bowl. Okay, so as you can see, I filled both of my pie crusts evenly with my mixture. So I'm going to move them over to the side for a minute, and I'm going to take a small bowl. And in this small bowl, I'm going to put 1 cup of granulated sugar, a half a cup of unsweetened cocoa, and 1 cup of hot water. There we go. And you can take a spoon or your whisk, whatever you like, and just get this all combined. So let me do that now for you. I think I'm going to use my handy dandy whisk. There we go. Okay. Now can you guess what I'm going to do with this chocolate mixture? I'm going to pour this mixture on top of each of the cake batters in the pie crust. Get it all combined. And then I'm going to bake these babies at my 350 degrees for 1 hour. So once I do take these out of the oven and they cool, we're going to have a yummy taste testing. The Amish country in Lancaster, Pennsylvania, that's where you saw, I think it was the shoe fly pie originated. There was a couple of others. But this is where you'll find this funny cake pie. All right. Well, that looks pretty good. All right, so I'm going to bring back over my pie crusts with the batter in them, and I'm going to pour this chocolate mixture evenly on each one. Hopefully you can see that. So we have our white mixture on the bottom, and we have our chocolate mixture on the top. So both pies should be all covered on the top with chocolate mixture. I'm going to put them in the oven for an hour. When they're done, I'm going to take these funny guys out and we're going to cut them, and I'm going to show you what they look like, and we're going to do our taste testing. So don't go away. All right, I'm back, and after having these babies in the oven for 1 hour, just look at them. They look delicious. These are a Lancaster, Pennsylvania classics. These are called funny pie cakes because they're partly a pie and partly a cake. And they're also known sometimes as the vanilla breakfast cake. It's basically a cake baked in a pie crust with chocolate sauce on the bottom. These are straight from the Diva's kitchen, straight from the Amish country. So I think now I'm going to cut one of these babies and we're going to see what it looks like inside. So let me push that one aside, get a dish, get a knife and a fork here because I'm dying to taste this. So let's give it a try. Okay. It's cutting nicely. It has a, I think it has a moist middle, but the top crust is crunchy. Trying to make sure I got it all the way through to the bottom. All right, let me see if I can get that baby out. First piece is always the hardest. Whoa, look at that. The chocolate all sunk to the bottom. Can you see that? Yeah? Oh, let me look at the inside of the pie. Oh, yeah. Let me taste a little bit of this. Mmm, mmm. 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 Very good. All the chocolate went to the bottom. See how the layers reversed? And the white cake is on the top. So you basically have a pie crust with a chocolate sauce on the bottom and a vanilla cake on the top. Well, those people from Lancaster sure knew what they were doing when they made this cake. So, what do I think about the funny pie cake? I give it 2 thumbs up. Now you can squirt whipped cream on the top of this or put ice cream on it. Serve it any way you like. I think I'm going to put a little bit of ice cream on mine. So I hope you enjoyed this rather old, unusual recipe. And if you did, make sure you go down and subscribe to my channel. Hit the red subscribe. And if you hit the little bell, that's a notification bell. And you'll get a notification the next time I have a new video up. So anyway, thank you all so much for tuning in. I'm going to dig into my pie as soon as I get my ice cream out. So everybody have a wonderful week. And I'll see you soon. Toodles!